World Translation Center provides high-quality legal translation services for over 150 languages, including all the major languages of the world, at competitive rates. Legal translation requires a translator with a legal background, a paralegal, or an attorney. Our legal translators have experience translating various types of legal documents, including contracts, court and witness transcripts, depositions, written and audio, confidentiality agreements, wills and trusts, summons, complaints, letters of credit, policies, legal statements, regulations, license translation, litigation documentation, arbitration translation, legal disclaimers, and much more. Just as in English, legalese is almost like a different language and requires a legally trained person to understand it. The same applies to translators. They have to be legally trained and need to be familiar with the laws of their country. One cannot just translate word for word. It is important to understand all the legal implications of what is being translated. A client needs to be able to rely on a proper legal translation when ordering a document that has legal implications. Our translators realize that an improperly translated document can affect rights and sometimes even liberties. Some law offices prefer to pass responsibility on to their clients by advising them to find a friend who can help with the translation or to look for a legal translator. In such cases, to ensure accuracy, law firms may wish to request a back translation of the translated text so that the original and the back translation can be compared side by side. When you want to make a business proposal to a potential partner, you want to work with a team that is familiar with the business and legal practices of the country. You can count on World Translation Center and its legal team to handle all the translation with utmost accuracy. We work with highly educated teams in the countries who only translate into their native language. Every now and then, materials that have been previously translated require updating. It is common practice to update the translated file using track changes and to send two versions to the client, one with track changes and a clean version. This way the client sees exactly what has been changed in the translated version and can compare it with the original translation. Countries have different ways of formatting their legal documents. When translating a document, the same formatting as the original file is used. But if there are differences between the language or countries in regards to numbering or formatting files, our client is advised. Often legal documents contain uneditable pictures. An easy way to handle this is by using callouts, the addition of both the original and the translated text close to the picture. Thank you for listening. Should you have any questions or if you want additional information about these or other services, please visit our website www.worldtranslationcenter.com or call us at 1-800-270-7674.